बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Murid ke. Dear students, today we will discuss alkenes, their chemical reactions. This is our lesson number 12. Chemical reactions of alkenes. First reaction is combustion. As you know that combustion is a process of a burning substance in the presence of oxygen. Alkenes burn in a plentiful supply of air, means oxygen, to form carbon dioxide and water vapors. Ethene in the presence of oxygen burns and it produces carbon dioxide and water vapors. Here you can see from the equation that 1 mole of ethene is reacting with 3 moles of oxygen and is producing 2 moles of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. Since alkenes have a relatively higher percentage of carbon than the corresponding alkanes, carbon particles may be produced on combustion. Hence, alkenes burn with a smokier flame than alkanes with a similar number of carbon atoms. Second is the addition reactions. As you know that the functional group of alkenes is the double bond. The double bond makes alkenes much reactive because in this double bond, one bond is sigma bond and the other bond is pi bond. Pi bond is a weaker bond, and while providing a little amount of energy, it breaks and makes molecule unstable. Due to that instability, molecule reacts with other molecules and addition reaction takes place. Addition reactions are those reactions in which one or more than one reactants are joined together to form a single product only. From the reaction you can see that there are two reactants, alkene and XY compound, and they are producing only one single product. In an addition reaction, carbon-carbon double bond becomes single bonds. Hence, an unsaturated hydrocarbon becomes a saturated organic compound. The reactivity of alkenes is only due to the presence of this double bond, and the double bond is the functional group in these molecules. Alkenes undergo addition reactions with hydrogen, bromine and water. When we add hydrogen, it is called hydrogenation. Addition of bromine is known as bromination, and addition of water is known as hydration. Hydrogenation, the conditions for the reaction are at 200 degrees Celsius and in the presence of a catalyst such as nickel. Alkenes can react with hydrogen to form alkanes. This reaction is known as hydrogenation. Alkene molecule on addition with hydrogen produces alkane. Unsaturated molecule is being converted to a saturated molecule. CnH2n plus H2, CnH2n plus 2. For example, ethene when reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius produces alkane. Bromination. A solution of bromine is a reddish brown when concentrated or yellow when dilute. If an alkene is passed into air or added to a solution of bromine, the yellow or reddish brown color disappears immediately and a colorless oil is formed. This reaction is called bromination. For example, ethene reacts with bromine and it produces 1,2-dibromoethane. Here you can see that there is a double bond between two carbon atoms. It reacts with a bromine molecule. It produces 1,2-dibromoethane. Bromination is a very useful process for the identification of a saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons do not react with bromine and they don't decolorize bromine, while unsaturated hydrocarbons react with bromine and decolorize bromine solution rapidly. Hydration. Ethene can react with steam to produce ethanol. This is the larger scale process for the manufacturing of ethanol, which is an alcohol. The reaction requires a catalyst, which is phosphoric acid. Other conditions required are temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 60 atmospheres. Under these conditions, ethene reacts with steam and it produces ethanol. Now we have to compare alkanes and alkenes. Below are some similarities and differences between alkanes saturated hydrocarbons and alkenes unsaturated hydrocarbons. Similarities: both alkanes and alkenes are compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen. In other words, we can say that both are hydrocarbons. Both alkanes and alkenes are flammable. On complete combustion, they form carbon dioxide and water. Why there are 5 differences? First one is their molecular structure. Alkanes contain only single bonds between carbon atoms, whereas alkenes contain double bonds between carbon atoms. Reactivity: alkanes are generally unreactive, but alkenes are very reactive due to the presence of the double bond. Types of reaction: alkenes always undergo substitution reactions, but alkenes undergo addition reactions. Furthermore, alkane do not undergo polymerization, whereas alkenes undergo addition polymerization. Reaction with aqueous bromine: alkenes do not react with aqueous bromine under normal conditions, but alkenes rapidly decolorize aqueous bromine. On combustion, alkenes produce a smokier flame than alkanes with a similar number of carbon atoms. Students, now here is your assignment. You will have to read the topic of alkenes from notes and chemistry matters. Please make your question bank, and if you have any problems, consult it with me. Thank you.